Welcome to the Driving the World podcast series. I'm your host, Cully Holland. Today we have Arne Valentin from our corporate electronics group, and we'll be discussing the basics of MOVIKITs. Hey, Arne, how are you doing today?
I'm very good. How are you, Cully?
Doing wonderful. Thank you so much for coming in and sitting down with me.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So today we're kind of just going to touch on MOVIKITs, kind of what they are, the basics, a nice little 10,000 foot view. So what is a MOVIKIT?
Yeah, basically a MOVIKIT is a software module that we use for our MOVI-C automation platform, the new one. And MOVIKITs are pre-programmed, pre-configured software modules that cover certain motion or PLC tasks.
Okay. So it sounds like it's something that we're going to use with our VFDs, very useful for predetermined tasks. What are the goals of them? So they sound pretty nifty, but why would some of our customers want to use one?
Yeah, so think about general motion. There are so many different ways of accomplishing this. We have solutions all the way from speed control applications, open loop control, to positioning, synchronization, robotic control, things like that. And we have already done those at EuroDrive. So we thought, why not kind of bundle them up and license them and have other people use them already. So yeah, that's what we did. The goals basically is to make the life of an OEM or end user as easy as possible. So they are easy to work with. They offer diagnostic screens to troubleshoot. And yeah, I guess the overall goal is to reduce startup and engineering time dramatically.
Awesome. And when I hear that, reducing startup and engineering time, I'm sure that is saving customers or OEMs money,
Yeah.
which they love to hear. And I mean, open loop speed control to robotics is pretty much the entire gambit of applications. So it sounds like we're kind of just giving them an easy button for whatever scenarios or whatever their application could call for.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they sound pretty awesome to me. What are some of the categories or some of the places that we might see these used? I mean, it sounds like they can do anything, but
yeah. So part of MOVI-C, and I think we've explored that in previous podcasts, part of MOVI-C are motion controllers and are VFDs also, and they all come in different shape and forms. So the MOVIKIT itself is either running directly on the motion controller, if we don't have it, on the VFD itself, directly on field bus, for example, talking to an upper level PLC. So yeah, it really depends. But the idea is we're using the same MOVIKIT look and feel for different types of inverters. So we have our decentralized MOVI mods that we've already gone into, our extra low voltage drives that are part of MOVI-C, or our MOVI-Drive cabinet VFDs. And we are basically running the same MOVIKITs on those different hardware. So an OEM, a machine builder, doesn't have a different feel of the different products. It feels for them the same to implement motion.
And that's awesome. Having the same feel and the same tools across all of our VFDs is something that's pretty impressive, especially when we have such a wide range of decentralized low voltage and cabinet controllers.
Yeah.
So, I mean, these things are pretty awesome. Is there anything else you kind of want to add or touch on with our MOVIKITs, or?
I mean, we can go through some categories, but I think if you have a motion control problem, talk to us. We are happy to help. We are happy to help select the right MOVIKIT. That's oftentimes very crucial. And yeah, I think they're just easy to work with. It's fun to work with them, and it's a cool little product.
Well, awesome. Give me 2 or 3 categories, and then we'll get out of here.
Yeah. So we have a pre-written software module for synchronization, depending on the synchronization types, torque priority, skew priority. We use them all the time. They are very, very useful. And then our robotic control. So we can control up to 120 different robot types with a standard software module. And that's kind of neat in the market.
Kind of neat is putting it lightly. So thank you so much. And as you said, if you have any questions regarding these, you can just reach out to either your DSE or SEW. Just shout out and we'll be happy to talk to you and figure out what you need.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.